So some of the top things that I would tell myself, just starting out when I was 18 and 16, I started learning the market. I was at the boat show in Fort Lauderdale and I was like, wow, this is amazing. And I learned that a lot of these successful yacht owners, they were in the stock market. And if I could go back, 24 years almost, I would say be patient and don't sell your stock. When you put the time in to understand a stock, or if you use products like, Apple or Netflix or Google or like all these different examples, TJ Maxx, Costco, I can keep going, but there's so many names that you probably use on a daily or weekly basis. And if you can just adapt a mentality, and I'm talking to my younger self when I'm saying this, don't sell. You should never sell your stock. What you should do is you should continue to go out and produce income to continue building your long-term portfolio, acquiring shares of the same company that you believe in, that you trust, that you understand, or new companies that you bring into the mix. Let your portfolio compound and grow over time. Reinvest the dividends. Sell covered calls when you have the technical indicators that line up when you're going into bear markets or sideways trending markets. And you can bring the VIX in to help you with that to kind of confirm things. And let your portfolio grow over time. And if you need to do a large purchase or do a big deal, then go to the bank and say, hey, I have this portfolio. It's works X. I want 60% of the value of that, and they're going to loan it to you. You can't have margin on your portfolio, so you got to take margin out of the equation. But that's what I would tell myself is, the stock market isn't going anywhere. These stocks, these names that you put the time in to understand and that you use and that you trust and that you believe in, they should be part of your life for all of your living years. And you should be able to pass them down to your kids or to your loved ones. So that's what I would tell myself. And that's what I'm telling you and your kids is that, don't sell your stock. Just continue letting it grow. And then you can leverage your portfolio in more advanced ways, just like all the billionaires and all the really successful guys do, because you don't have a taxable event. You can take a loan out on your shares and it's not taxable. So it's a very powerful loophole of the rich. And it's something that you should be aware of, that you can start now. Just continue to invest in yourself and to grow that portfolio.